Welcome back to the Planet 51 Rover Builders group. I'm Mark, and today we're taking another step towards bringing Rover to life. Let's get into the build. Welcome back. In this video I am going to show the latest update to the CAD files, parts that have just been finished, and then go over the parts that are going to be next. Starting off with the front door. Also added a hinge to it so I can open. So if I go front door, still got to adjust it a little bit because it's hitting into here. The main design of it is there, just needs fine adjustments. And I've made this solid here for when the arm is done. The arm will just press into this round shape here. For the next part was the aerial, the rubber part. So that's all done now. Has a ring here and a slot here for it to grip onto. You can see the inside. So they're supposed to run some wires up if we need to. Shows you the LED light inside there. Can run some wires through into the main body. So got this small gauge on the back sorted now with the LED light and light bars. This could be a digital readout with numbers on it, maybe voltage or ampage. These could be LEDs for the battery level and a warning light. That's a 5mm LED, and we have got a hole for the wires. I've also made a pocket over this side for the solar panel bracket. It's still getting designed up the top part. Once that's done, be able to copy the whole bracket over. One of the big parts that needed done was the neck to hold up his head, and that is all done now, including finishing off inside here. And this is all individual parts. So we can go on to, we'll go on to here. So you can see it's a hollow rubber and the main ball down the bottom. Plenty of room in the body. Also done a little bit more on the eye camera lens part. That'll be in the next video. I'll go over that a bit more because there's still a bit more to go in there. But mainly the neck was getting all sorted. So it might need like a round part here to lock the rubber in, to stop it slipping out, as well as here. But the basic shape is there, all done. One thing I did notice on some of the pictures is there's another step just in this part for where this part goes. So I'm going to have to add that in a later update. You can see inside the eye there, some more details been added. I'll quickly go over individual parts just to show you what they look like. So it's the front door with its hinge. Got the aerial. So the aerial's hollow. And the neck. And these balls are hollow. So stuff could go inside them and a hole could be added here and on the bottom. So this part all stays stationary and the head spins on this part. I've noticed on a couple of parts of the movie. So all this part here could be solid, mounted into the body, and then this part would be solid as well, onto the rubber, and the head just pivots around on this part. This is the back gauge. So we've got LED in the back. Haven't made these go all the way through or the panel yet. Not too sure what these were. Maybe a button or a screw. Not sure. There's no clear images of it on the movie. And I'm not sure if there was glass in it too. Got room to put glass in at a later stage if I need to. Parts that are getting done at the moment are the main arm for the front with its claw. This part will be the next part I'm going to be working on, is getting the solar panel mount finished. And also some more of the eye camera lens part. These two holes on the top also need adjustment because they are too small and placement is not right. And then we're going to start looking at doing the suspension, mounting the wheels to the main body. So that gives you a good update on what's happening and what parts are next. Thanks for following along with today's progress. If you're building your own rover, head over to our Facebook group and post your photos. I'd love to see them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next build video.